to the butterflies in my stomach. I haven't felt this nervous since I was a little fluffy down nestling. My daring do is half disguised behind the smile. My beak is grinding, ever minding. I swore I wouldn't dwell on the divorce, so for my own health I'll remind myself that when I see him, I know that it won't feel so tough. I'll believe him and not the voice that says I'm not enough. No need for an arrangement, it can just be him and me. I'll set us free. How perfect it could be when I see him tonight.
See him tonight? All right. It's been a while since he begged for attention. Are we okay? Can't really say. I'm getting by avoiding his questions. So complicated, I hate when it's complicated. Why do I always end up in situations that are complicated? Here I go again, getting in my head, so I'll focus on the sexy stuff instead.
When I see him,
I'm gonna do that thing he likes.
I will change
No need to change things. I'll just bring the rope and spice.
Oh, God.
We've got a nice arrangement, and it's working out just